Introductions first.
What's up, LA? I'm Anton. You guys know LA will always have a very special place in our hearts. LA is where our journey started, and it feels so good to be back here in LA after almost 1 year. So good to see you guys. Let's have fun tonight, okay?
I love you, Ellie. Hi, I'm Sohee. Let's set the stage on fire. Oh, we need all of your energy today, okay?
Let's go.
Hi, I'm Wombat! Yeah. I was so excited first in LA, and here we are! 아, 진짜 오늘 열기가 너무 뜨거운데
The heat here is so hot today.
굉장한데요?
It's amazing.
여러분 아직까지 힘 많죠?
Everyone, you're not tired yet, right?
오늘은 끝까지 재밌게 즐겁시다, 알겠죠?
Then please have a lot of fun until the end, okay?
Let's go!
Hi, everyone. Oh, I'm so excited because it's been a since
since I performed in LA, so I'm so excited now. Yeah. Thank you. Let's have fun tonight, okay?